another food review. And today we have the strawberry Swiss roll and what's that one?
The strawberry
jelly cream pie. So you guys, I went to Walmart and I seen this. I was like, oh, I know the regular Swiss roll, but I haven't tried the strawberry Swiss roll. I don't know if you guys can see it really good. I don't know, the lighting gets a little bit too bright, but. And this is the jelly cream pie. I do not like jelly cream pie, but we're gonna try it. We said strawberry on strawberry. We haven't tried these, so we are going to try it. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, so we want to try first. Swiss roll first. Let's do Swiss roll. I want to try Swiss roll first. No, let's leave Swiss roll for the last one. Let's do jelly cream pie. No, jelly cream pie. Let's do Swiss roll. Let's do Swiss roll. Let's do Swiss roll. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. One for you. Oh, you got 2 in it. We might as well, okay, we'll get on. We'll get on. Because y'all greedy. We get on. Okay.
I'm going to eat 2 of them.
Okay, so this is how y'all know how Swiss rolls look. Doom, 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 doom.
They got me 2.
You got 2 in it. Okay, let's open it.
I'm just going to eat 2.
No, we want to eat one first and try it first and see. Okay, need help? Okay, let me help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't eat it yet, Teal, because I know you like you some snacks.
It smells like...
Let's see how it smells. We're going to see how it smells.
Strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream, It smells good. Teal, I said don't eat it yet now.
I'm eating this.
No, it's still eating it. So let's smell it. Let me see. Ooh, it do smell like a nice little strawberry. Ooh, okay, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Chocolate. Real good. Chocolate. I think I'm in the chocolate crown, so I can eat all the chocolate.
It's real good, y'all. Real good.
Real good.
Real good. What you give it? What you give it?
A 6.
You give it 6? What you give it? What you give it, Teal?
A 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10? I'll give it a 9. It's real good, y'all. It's real good.
Real good.
Real good.
Real good.
It is so good. Oh, y'all. Let me break it open so y'all can see how it look inside. I don't know if y'all can see it. But it's real good. It's very good.
Nice.
It's pink inside. It's real good.
That's mine.
You like it?
Yeah, pinky mine.
You ready for the next one? Yeah?
Now
you made a mess.
It's your turn.
Okay, wait, let me get some water because it's real sweet.
Ew.
Okay, here. Very, very good. Y'all go to Walmart. Get this. The strawberry Swiss roll is real good. It's real good. Like I like it better than the regular one. I like it very much better. Okay, say that one for later. Say that one for later. It's we in a video. We in a video. We doing a video.
Now it's Tiff's turn. Oh my god.
You like it?
Now it's Tiff's turn.
Yeah, I mean my sister tasted it and she said she don't like it. I like it. Mom said, you like it?
Yeah, it tastes like chocolate in the milky sky.
What about you? You like it?
It makes a pancake.
It's like pancakes? Oh, okay. I don't think it's bad. I like it. Everybody got different palates, but I like it.
I like it.
Okay, next one. On to the next. You made too much mess.
Hill, it's your turn.
Okay.
I want to
take this one. Okay, the last one. Okay. Let's see. Jelly cream pie. Yeah, my auntie wanted to try this one. I'm just like, we'll see how it tastes.
It don't taste like soup.
Like soup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another one.
Yeah, it's a jelly cream pie. Greedy want to try one too. You want to try one too? We'll be right. Okay, come on, we gotta open this. Open it so we can try it. Okay, you need help. You need help.
I'm already done.
No, I think you need help.
What's inside, Kiki?
Ooh, Jesus. Okay, this how they look. It reminds me like a little moon pie.
Yeah. And what's inside?
Okay, let's try it. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Hey, you supposed to do it on all 3. You already eating it. 1, 2, 3.
Real good.
Everything's good for you. I don't like this one that much.
I do like it.
I give it a 3.
Funny, right?
I give it
I don't like it like that.
I just give it a 10.
Y'all know she likes snacks a lot, so she gonna give everything a 10 out of 10. Okay? And this one, like chocolate.
I love
You like
chocolate. Yeah.
I'm not a big snack person. I don't be eating those type of stuff like that. This is a no for me.
I give it a 11.
It was a jelly cream pie.
Right.
And I give it literally like maybe like a 3.
You got the
It's
red.
an epic fail.
You got red one.
It got jelly. It got jelly in the middle. It got like jelly in the middle. I don't like it. It's nasty.
Oh, I got jelly too.
It's nasty. But yeah, guys, we only had 2 snacks to try for you guys. We had the Swiss rolls and we had the jelly cream pie. We only had 2 today, so it's gonna be a very, very, very short video. What you guys rate it out of 1 out of 10?
11.
11? I mean, you like it. What you give it? 11? 1 out of 10. 10
10.
out of 10, and I give it a 3. So, Mom, are you ready to start school?
Oh my god. No, I'm not.
Why?
Because
Cause what?
my teacher will give me an F.
Why would she give you an F? Why would she give you an F?
Because I don't know how to spell the ABCs.
Girl, you know how to say your ABC.
I don't know how to spell the.
You don't know how to write it?
I don't know how to spell the P or the R.
You don't know how to write the R?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. By the time you go to start school, you're gonna learn how to do it. What about you?
You gonna be the teacher. You gonna be a teacher.
No, I'm nobody's teacher. I'm sorry. I would not be the teacher. So Tia, why
Mama.
no, I got a question for you, for real. Why you always mean to me?
Because I'm mean to you.
Because what?
Because
But why you always mean to me though? Why you always so rude to me? I don't like that.
Because you be saying you get on my nerves.
I don't say that.
No, Till say that.
But yeah, why you always say that? Why you be so rude to me? I don't like that. So I'm gonna need you to fix that. Quick. Okay.
So fast and so quick.
Very fast, very quick. Okay, do you have a question to ask me?
I don't know.
Ask me something.
I don't know.
You don't know what to ask me?
Just ask Till. Or.
Till, do you have a question to ask me? Okay, what you wanna ask me?
God, if you did get a new husband.
You said what?
God, if you did get a new husband.
Speaking of that, we forgot to say our praise. Oops, we bad. We always forget to say our praise before we eat something. God bless this snack. Let it be a nourishment to our bodies. In Jesus' name, amen. Sorry, again.
Sorry again.
Sorry again. But you say God let me have a new husband. I never had a husband to begin with. Think about a new husband. You want me to have a husband?
Just.
Why you want me to have a husband? You want me to have a husband?
So you gonna be a family.
So we could be a family.
Yeah. Mom said that every time to me.
Oh, she said that every time to you?
Yes.
You want mommy to have a husband too?
Yes.
Okay, okay. This year, in Jesus' name, our husband will come. In Jesus' name.
In my name.
Okay, y'all done?
Oh yeah.
Y'all done?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, this is a quick video, very short. We will see you guys next time with some great, great, great food reviews.
And with Punky.
Okay, guys, so our camera had died, but we are back. And like I said, it's going to be a quick video. We are done. We tried 2 snacks for you guys, which is the jelly cream pies and the strawberry Swiss rolls. Until next time, we're going to have another food review for you guys. And what?
Don't forget.
What?
A Punky video.
Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Stacy and Family. You doing the Afluma.
Stacy and Family.
Okay, yes.
Come on and sing with me.
Stacy and Family. Okay. Yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Stace